Why am I an artist? I just can't think of anything more I'd love to do. It's just having fun every day, just picking up a pencil or a charcoal stick or a paintbrush and just creating something. It's just a pleasurable thing to do that I cannot imagine anything else giving me. It's really being with nature. To be on a beach with a beautiful sky and the sea energy coming in and out in the background, you can't help but just relax. You can just love to be there, not doing anything at all other than just that stillness of mind. It's so relaxing, and that's really what I absolutely adore, painting outside on location. My method of teaching is to simplify the complicated. It's a step-by-step guide, taking someone's hand and leading them through the most complicated painting or drawing in small bite-sized pieces so they understand what's going on and they achieve. For every thing I give, I get back 100-fold, and that's why I enjoy teaching so much. It's to see the pleasure in people's eyes and their abilities grow and their confidence grow. It's very special indeed. I want to paint more than what I just see. I want to paint what I feel. That's why classical techniques are so important to me. So that I could empower my own thoughts and ideas on my own canvases.